In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly rotate your Google Docs document by 90 degrees, ensuring that your document is precisely oriented the way you need it. This tutorial will take us around 5 minutes, but by the end of it, you'll be able to manipulate the orientation of your documents like a pro. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to access your Google Drive account. So start by opening your preferred web browser and head over to Google Drive's homepage. Once you're there, you're greeted with a sign in page. Enter your email and password in the respective fields and click Next. This will take you straight to your Google Drive dashboard, where all your files and documents are neatly organized. Now, finding the document you want to rotate is your next step. Navigate through your Google Drive and locate the Google Docs document you wish to adjust. Once you've found it, open it by clicking on the title. This action will take you right into the Google Docs editor, where you can make all sorts of changes to your document, including rotating it. Upon having your document open, look for the File menu located in the upper left corner of your screen, just next to the Edit and View options. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu full of various options. From this menu, you're looking for the Page Setup option, which is usually towards the bottom of the list. Click on Page Setup to open a new window where you'll find several settings that control how your document looks on the page. In the Page Setup window, you'll notice a few options concerning orientation, margins, and paper size. Here your focus should be on the Orientation section. You'll see two options: Portrait and Landscape. By default, Google Docs sets your document to Portrait. However, to rotate your document by 90 degrees, you'll need to select Landscape. Click on the Landscape option to change the orientation of your document. Lastly, to apply this change, look for the OK button at the bottom of the Page Setup window. Clicking OK will close the window and apply the landscape orientation to your entire document. And just like that, you've successfully rotated your Google Docs document by 90 degrees. A few additional tips to keep in mind. Changing the orientation to landscape might affect the formatting of your document, so you might need to adjust your headers, footers, or images to fit the new layout. Also, remember this setting applies to the whole document. If you're looking to rotate a single page or a specific section, you might want to consider alternative methods or editing software that allows for more granular control. And there you have it. You now know how to rotate a Google Docs document by 90 degrees in just a few simple steps. With this knowledge, you can adjust the layout of your documents to better suit presentations, create visually appealing reports, or simply to change things up a bit. Thank you for following along, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Happy documenting.